This is day 3 of my Christmas takedown, and today I actually get it all done. It's looking pretty clean behind me right now, but wait till you get a look at the video. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see videos about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. It took me 3 days to take down all of those Christmas decorations, and whereas it did take me a good 7 or 8 days to put everything up, I figured I can get them all down in 1 day. Well, I was wrong. It actually took me 3 days, and it was such a lengthy process I had to break the video into 2 parts. So you've already seen part 1 of the takedown. So now this is going to be part 2, in which I'm going to box up my Santa collection, my nutcrackers, and some other things that are all around the house, or at least that were all around the house. Things are looking pretty clean right now, but just wait till you get a look at the video. is the last of it, and all of my Christmas things will be put away. I've got to pack these in this bag, and then I am done. So now here's my question for you. What part of this undecorating process do you have a question about? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to put these things in the bag and then help the hubby put the rest of those things up in the attic, and we'll call this a wrap. So I'll check in with you again in the next video.